So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in control panel. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down till you find sound. You're going to right click on it and then click on create shortcut. And then click on yes. And now it's going to appear on our desktop. And now to add it to our taskbar, we can't just right click on it and then click on properties and then click on add to taskbar. So instead, we're going to have to head over to search and type in file explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you just want to go to any folder. I'm just going to go to my documents folder. Now you're going to drag in the shortcut into this folder, any folder that you're in. And then once you have the shortcut, you want to right click on it and then click on copy. And then once you've copied the shortcut, you now want to right click on the white space and then click on new and then click on shortcut. And now this will come up. And now in this box right here, you want to paste what you just copied right now. You want to do Control V on your keyboard, which will now paste it. Now you're going to go to the start of this and you're going to type in Explorer and then you're going to put a space. And then the path that you just pasted right now, it's going to be saying Explorer and then a space and then the path that you just copied and pasted right now in here. And then click on next. And now where it says typing in for the shortcut, you want to call it sound and then click on finish. And now this will appear. And then once you have this, you want to right click on it and then click on properties and then click on change icon. And then once you're on this, you want to delete all this text right here and you're going to type in mmsys.cpl. Click on enter. And now this will come up. You can now select the sound icon and then click on OK and then click on OK again. This will now be changed to the sound icon. And now once you have this new sound icon right here, you can now right click on it and then click on show more options and then click on pin to taskbar. It will now be on our taskbar. And you can also drag this to your desktop as well. So it's going to be on our desktop and on our taskbar as well. That's how you do it.